So there are two formulations of pegylated interferon, pegylated interferon alpha-2a and pegylated interferon alpha-2b, which is ropegylated interferon produced by Pharmacentia. So there has been a period of time, I think because of the transition of pegylated interferon alpha-2a between manufacturers, where there was a relative shortage. That I think, depending upon the part of the country, and I know different in different countries, has been something that has been hard or easier to navigate. Fortunately, I would say that with my patients, it's not been a huge barrier. We've noted it, but in the end, we've been able to obtain supply. I do think there is some good news on the way. The current manufacturers that are in Austria have kind of geared up to manufacture the medication and have some approvals in place to be able to export that to the US. So I think that is helpful. Where it's particularly helpful is in those areas where ropegylated interferon particularly is either not obtainable in certain countries or where it is not indicated, so there may be less insurance coverage. So in the United States, ropeg is indicated for polycythemia vera, so we are usually able to obtain financial coverage for that. But for ET, early myelofibrosis, some of those more off-label indications that we use based on evidence, but are not FDA indications, pegylated interferon alpha-2a still remains very, very important because we're able to typically obtain that more. One, because it is in our current US NCCN treatment guidelines. And two, I think over time, insurance companies as well as US Medicare have become more comfortable with the coverage of pegylated interferon alpha 2A based on the last 15 years of off label use.